Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TJ and I just wanted to, see you guys and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope that we could, grow even more in this new year, and I just wanted to wish you guys a happy and prosperous and healthy new year. With that being said, I also want to do a giveaway as a thank you to all my subscribers and all the people that watch my my videos. When I hit my 1,000 subscriber count, I'm gonna do a giveaway. It's gonna be a gift card, so you can spend the money wherever and on whatever it is that gonna make you happy. So as a gift from me to you, it's gonna be a giveaway. So just keep a lookout for the instructions on how to enter. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. I'm not positive it's gonna be on here or on Instagram, but just stay tuned, watch my videos, and I'll keep you informed. Just always look in the description box and you'll see how to enter, and I'll just randomly pick a winner of for the gift card. So I think that's it. In this video is gonna be my first clean with me / decorate with me. So I'm gonna share a new item that I got from my living room, and also I'm sharing a little cleaning / motivational video to get your home nice and clean and spruced up for the new year. You're gonna see in this video that it looks a little different. My living room is changed around because, like I said, you do have to change around your space a little bit to keep it fresh and new. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and get my channel to my 1,000. So here's to a prosperous and healthy new year and wealthy new year. So I see you guys. Bye. So guys, I'm going to clean my living room as well as my dining room area. It's going to be mostly those two main areas, because to clean the kitchen and the bedrooms is going to take a little bit more work. So I just wanted to share this quick motivational cleaning video with you guys. I'm using the Windex vinegar solution to clean this table. So I really hope you enjoy this clean with me. Let's start cleaning. My old tripod broke, so I had to get a new one from Walmart. I usually get it from Amazon, but I didn't want to wait, so I just went to Walmart to pick up a new one. Alright, so now moving on to the TV stand. Clean it up a little bit, get the dust off and all that, stuff that gets on there when you vacuum. So, I should have vacuumed and then dust, but oh well. So in order to keep my cushions looking like new, I have to continuously fluff them, because I think I've had this couch for maybe 4 years now. I have 1 year left on my warranty. So I hope, my couch could keep it together after my warranty ends, fingers crossed. But yeah, in order to keep my cushions and my couch looking like you, I have to consistently fluff them. So that's what I'm doing. So now that my cushions are fluffed, I'm gonna, fluff up my throw blanket a little bit and put in this corner. I usually, fluff it and lay it here, and then I put this round shag pillow on top. Okay, so it's time to get my vacuuming on. I think I added the extra word at the end. So I'm gonna vacuum my living room and under the TV stand to get all the dust, all the dust particles from under there, because dust always fly under furniture, so it's always good to get those areas vacuumed every once in a while, or as often as you can. Okay, so this is the living room, all clean, dusted, and vacuumed. The pillows fluffed and looking nice, almost clean until my kids, mess it up again. So now we're gonna move on to the new item I got for my home. It's actually 2 decor pieces that I'm gonna hang on the wall. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Okay, so the 2 decor items came with, the hardware, the screws, and the frame to hang it on. So I'm gonna screw this in. This is the top piece that I'm screwing in, and then I'm gonna move on and screw in the second piece, which is gonna be right below it. So here it is, they're both hanged up. I believe these 2 are both abstract pieces or abstract wall decor, but I love them. They're perfect. They actually match my window curtain. They're like a blue with a little bit of brown swirl in it. It's very subtle, but it's just perfect and enough. I think it has enough color to not be too in your face, but to also be obvious that it's blue, as you can tell. But it goes perfect with my window treatment. I love it. I think this is like the perfect piece for this area. I think right now my living room is complete, kind of, sort of, never is complete. But for right now it is. I love this. It's perfect. You see it goes with the window curtain. It's the same shimmer, the same type of blue. I just love it. So now that the 2 pieces are hung, let's move on to the dining room. I gotta clean this up, get rid of the boxes and all this stuff on the table, shine it up a little bit, let it look like, make it look like new again. So let's start cleaning again. I always use this Pledge spray that I got from Publix. It's oil-based and it always gives my dining table a nice deep shine that I love. Now I'm gonna vacuum around the dining table. It's really hard to vacuum this rug since it's a shag rug, but it's a job I have to do and it's a tight area, so let's start vacuuming. So now I'm gonna clean off my bar cart. It's pretty dusty. You know, when it sits in this area, it doesn't matter where it sits, it just gets dusty. It's you know, glass and chrome, so it picks up a lot of dust. So now my bar cart is clean. Now moving on to this huge mirror I have over my dining room area. It's difficult to keep clean and, you know, nice and shiny, so I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit here. So I cleaned up this candle holder that I got from Z Gallery, and I got this candle from Home Goods. It's it's gray, silver, and white, which goes perfect with my dining area. So everything is nice and shiny. So now I'm gonna show you guys the dining room area, all nice and clean except from a fish tank. I need to clean the water. It looks terrible, I know, but I hope you guys did enjoy my clean with me for the new year. Yay to 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel and thumbs up this video and subscribe as well if you came this far. If you watched my entire video and came to the end, just hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.